Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The ADA chart continues to consolidate in this sideways range and we haven't got any breakout yet. No breakout to the downside, no breakout to the upside, and the previously defined parameters are still being respected. Yeah, we have our red line here, which is the support line in the breakdown point, basically at 42 cents pretty much, a little bit lower than that. It's 41.9 cents. It's the 1st of May low. Well, that's holding. The market did turn around before breaking below it. And to the upside, we've got this upside breakout point at 52.2 cents, but there is a resistance area before that we talked about. And it is here, you could say the top is around 47.8 cents. And it takes a break above it in order to invalidate the structure of the triangle pattern that I'm tracking here at the moment. At the moment, there's no change, literally no change. First of all, we are dealing with a potential triangle. Okay, we talked about that. One more low still possible and very much expected until we break above 47.9 cents. That would be a first indication that the structure is starting to morph, is starting to change. In a triangle pattern, this could be a wave 4 triangle, which could lead to one more low in wave 5. And in this triangle, we have an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and this could be an E wave rally. And then we might go down from there. Important is for this scenario to be valid that we stay below the C wave top, which is around that 47.8 cent level. A break above it could still indicate that we're just simply transforming and changing the structure of the triangle, and the C wave might still be unfolding and it would lead to a much more extended triangle. But as I said, the microstructure as it is would be invalidated with a break above that level. It would not invalidate the entire triangle, though. The entire triangle will be invalidated with a break above the green line at 52.2 cents, which means the following. Simple words. We have two bullish counts on the chart. Well, one is bullish, one is short-term bullish. Yellow and orange. We don't really need to talk about them in detail, but they become more likely if there is a break above 47.8 cents. So that's pretty much a key level to watch. It's also a key level against which the focus could be on the downside, even though the structure lacks any impulsive moves to the downside at the moment. And above that level, also a test of the 52.2 cent level will become more probable, but only a break above 52.2 cents will formally invalidate the direct downside move in the triangle. Okay, so that's sort of how probabilities are shifting. And the triangle break out to the downside, which is what, as per the white count, would be suggested. Okay, because the E wave, which is currently unfolding or might be unfolding as per the white count, again, that will be invalidated above 47.8 cents. But that is the last wave of the triangle, and a triangle breaks to the opposite side of the E wave. So I'm not saying the triangle is what's going to happen, because these triangles, they look like triangles in the beginning and then they morph often into something different, especially in the current cycle. I've seen that many, many times. So please be aware this could easily still change and shift. But for now, this is what we've got. You know, there are always very balanced probabilities when we're dealing with these triangles or generally sideways ranges, because this could morph into a large ABC structure, as I said. But then, is it likely? You know, I'm not very confident about it. But as I said yesterday, if the orange or the yellow counts are unfolding, they need to follow through from this region, because just a little bit lower, just a little bit lower below the red line, they will be invalidated. So we are not really any wiser, unfortunately. What I can tell you is that if this is the E wave and the alts aren't really showing much potential yet, I mean, if a rally starts, then from here, and you know, but this could simply be an ABC structure in the E wave, and an E wave is a 3-wave move, and yeah. So it's, I think the levels are clear. All we can do is watch the relevant parameters right now and have a little bit of patience. But at least we have a little bit of green after the CPI data. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.